Why you should drink warm water during pregnancy. During pregnancy, women are extra careful, diligent, and alert about everything they do, right from their health to their diet. Not just the mother, even friends and close relatives become cautious. But one thing you may not hear much about is the need to drink the right amount of water every day. An essential element of life, water constitutes more than 50% of a person's body weight, making it the most common element in the body. Adequate water intake helps keep you hydrated, detoxified, and energized. Drinking more fluids also helps reduce water retention in the body. And without a doubt, it helps ensure the proper health and growth of your unborn baby. Drinking normal water is very beneficial, and warm water is even better. In fact, experts believe that drinking lukewarm water during pregnancy is good for your health as well as your unborn baby. 1. Cleanses the digestive tract. Beginning the day with a glass of lukewarm water helps soothe and activate the digestive tract. It helps the body flush out all the toxins that have built up overnight. An accumulation of excess toxins in the body often gives rise to digestive problems. Warm water also tends to break and melt down the fat and oil deposits in the body that can otherwise lead to digestive problems. On the other hand, drinking cold water during or after a meal can lead to fat deposits in the intestines. So, drinking warm water makes the digestive tract clean and clear, and gives way to better nutrition for the baby in the womb. 2. Prevents constipation. Constipation, one of the common pregnancy-related discomforts, can also be prevented by drinking lukewarm water. Constipation means you have little to no bowel movement, and you need to put a lot of strain into the elimination process. Constipation is mainly due to a lack of water in the body. Drinking a glass or two of warm water in the morning on an empty stomach can help improve bowel movements. Warm water will help break down foods to help them smoothly pass through the intestines. Stimulating the bowels will help provide relief from constipation and acidity. 3. Improves blood circulation. Drinking warm water also improves blood flow in your body. Warm water works as a vasodilator, which means it expands the blood vessels, thus improving circulation throughout the body. Better circulation ensures better flow of oxygen and nutrient-rich blood to the muscles and organs, and also to your unborn baby. In addition, improved blood circulation is beneficial for the immune system to help defend against illnesses and diseases.